In Malaysia, in December of 2016, floods have hit Kelantan and Terengganu, affecting over 10,000 residents. Therefore, Tzu Chi volunteers have been mobilized to begin aid distributions.
On December 31st, 2016, in Kelantan, Malaysia, heavy rains led to serious flooding that affected over 10,000 people. Many were forced to evacuate their homes in the early morning to seek out temporary shelter.
The disaster relief brought us here. I live quite far away, about 5 miles out.
The affected residents acted to help one another by preparing hot meals. After the water level receded, Tzu Chi volunteers were ready right away to get to the disaster areas to begin aid distributions. Looking down from inside a plane, parts of Terengganu are completely flooded. Volunteers are there to deliver care in a timely manner, which eases the worries and comforts the hearts of the residents.
We use a small boat to get here. It's flooded all the way up to our waist.
At one distribution center, there is a small shortage of powdered milk after 185 children show up. But volunteers address the problem quickly and bring in more materials.
Tahun ni ada lagi ke? Bantuan? Rasa ada tak? You rasa ada tak? Mungkin ah. Mungkin. Kalau kita datang kalau tak ada pun tak ada masalah. Ya, bakti kita mau bakti. Jasa.
This resident received assistance from Tzu Chi when the region flooded 2 years ago. Now, when she sees the volunteers return to help again, she greets them as she would seeing an old friend returning after a long time.